The VolatilityFX FX Pocket Risk Department offers four main value propositions for FX sales and trading. You can structure a trade idea, evaluate a trade idea, find an appropriate trade size if you don't use stop loss levels, and then finally run scenario analysis to calculate your worst case scenario. Let's start off by switching to the dollar CAD, and we can go and explore these four value propositions. There's a built-in tutorial for each one of these value propositions.
If you read or provide trade ID,
and you can select View Tutorial and see a live video demonstration of each of the value propositions. Here, we'll structure a trade idea. We'll click a 3-month time horizon for our structured trade idea, select Next. We can then find appropriate target levels that match our risk tolerance. So we can click risk loving for a risk loving trade, a risk averse for a risk averse trade. Here, let's find a risk loving long trade in dollar CAD. We'll move on and say we're going to go long, and then it says how much would you like to risk if you stop out in this trade. So we'll click 1588, click submit, and then VolatilityFX will find us appropriate take profit level, stop loss level, and trade size. Here we see the plain English interpretation of our trade idea, which has a take profit level with a 25% chance of touching and a stop loss level with a 50% chance of touching. With VolatilityFX, you will never place your take profit and stop loss level outside of statistical reason or too close or too far away. VolatilityFX also offers the ability to evaluate a trade idea. You input your take profit and stop loss level, and VolatilityFX will tell you the probability that these levels touch. You can look at the View Tutorial page in order to see a live video demonstration. Finally, VolatilityFX provides volatility cones, which provide our best and worst case scenarios so that we will know what our best and worst outcomes are to stay confident trading in rocky markets. Here we'll forecast the 21-day best and worst case scenario in dollar CAD. We see that we have our 5% confidence level. So this is where we're 95% confident that within 21 days, dollar CAD stays below 128.40, for example. Then we have our high and low in green over the past observable period. Click on the Preferences tab in order to customize our look-back period, our extrapolation period to see how far we want to look forward, whether or not we want to measure the probability that the price touches once or expires beyond at a given time frame. In this example, we have a 20-week look-back period in order to see our high and low over the past 20 weeks, and then a 1-year extrapolation period to find our best and worst case scenario up to 1 year out. We can look intraday, we can look at a medium term over the next 21 days, or we can look out all the way up to 1 year. VolatilityFX calculates your best and worst case drawdowns for your position as well. Select Forecast VolatilityFX in order to find the best and worst case percentage return on your position.